Hello, so for the next 4 days, I'm gonna be showing you guys 4 different recipes with the Weight Watcher points using my new favorite thing ever, and that is an air fryer. So I showed this on my Instagram, and a lot of you were interested in some recipes, so that's why I'm gonna do 4 days in a row. And I'm also gonna put the link down below for this air fryer in case you guys are curious. And today's recipe is going to be a cheeseburger pizza. So, like I said, we are going to be using an air fryer. Hey, there's my reflection. It's stainless steel. It's so easy to clean. I love this one so much. If you guys have an air fryer, what is your favorite thing to cook? Let me know in the comments below so I could try it too. But anyways, let's begin the cheeseburger pizza. Okay, so this makes 2 pizzas, and what you're gonna need is some ground turkey, ½ cup, and then you're gonna need some green onions, bell pepper, and then some biscuits, the 10 count ones, and just kind of press that down. As you can see, smooth it out, and that's your base. And then you're gonna put some barbecue sauce on top of that, and I used about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, probably a little less. And then I put some ground turkey and my bell peppers. Delicious. I love bell peppers. And then you are gonna top it off with, of course, cheese. You can't have a pizza without some cheese. And some bacon bits, green onions, yum. And all you do is you just pop it on in there, and I had it set for 15 minutes, but after 9 minutes, I noticed it was finished. So there you go, very simple, perfect for Super Bowl too, you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you tomorrow with another recipe using the air fryer. Bye!